End of 2024 and analog is still going strong. If you are thinking of buying a quadcopter during winter to fly around the house because it's too cold to fly at your flying field, you don't have to break the bank. Get yourself an analog tiny whoop or 4-inch quad, only $100. But I bought Mobilov 7 HD first, and later I bought Darwin FPV Ape, this little monkey. Darwin FPV best quad ever. So much fun. I use Cobra X goggle, only $234. Later you will see the video recording on these goggles. It also have a built-in head tracker for wing flying. I like using 2S battery, this guy little, for my tiny whoop, and 3S 800 to 1100 on this little monkey. Crash my quads around practicing in my backyard and parks and of course at the AMA club. Analog is not only cheap, it's easy to maintain and fix after disastrous crashes. So why bother with DJI Voxnail or HD0? If you are coming from flying a helicopter or a plane and never done any FPV, I suggest flying a quadcopter line of sight, staying within at your knee level and staying close so you can tell front to back. Practice on quad or sim, this is better than RC cars. Betaflight has advanced so much, but the best part is when you buy a bind and fly, it comes fully tuned. All you need to do is set flight modes using a 3-position switch on your radio. This part is done on Betaflight Configurator and it's simple. I am a butterfly. I'm flying through the trees, through the garden of Asgard. Let's go through the alley. Let's not get caught with the... All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna try to go into the garage. The old lady is working there, so we'll see. Oops. Bouncy, bouncy. Maybe I can go into the motorcycle or my car, I guess. Oops, going backward.